We're back at miFLAVOUR here in Spokane. The incredible display of so many amazing French baked goods is sure to catch the eye of any customer. I sure hope you're hungry, because there's no way anyone is leaving unsatisfied.
Feel almost like you're in a little bit of a different world.
This is something that I would feel like I'm almost in Paris in a sense.
Once I got in, I was like, oh my goodness, we're coming here.
We usually call it a modern French bakery is kind of our tagline.
Owner Ella Piscoon wanted to make her bakery and cafe as authentic as possible, so she and her husband did their research thoroughly.
We went to Paris to get inspired and make sure that when we do open a cafe, we can confidently say that we are offering a genuine French experience.
Yeah. It's so perfect. I mean, everything looks so beautiful.
And you just want to take a sample of everything.
It's that good.
As far as items go that you sell, what's the most popular?
Definitely our macarons.
Okay.
That's definitely what we're known for.
Yeah. Tell me about the perfect macaron.
The filling needs to be very vibrant in flavor because the shell doesn't have too much flavor to it. And the texture needs to be chewy.
And you make all of yours like just extra special.
We do. We like to decorate each one to make sure that people see it as like a one dessert where they can enjoy this dessert and they feel like, wow, someone put so much effort into this.
Yeah. I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Speaking of macarons, I get to go back into the bakery to learn how to make macarons with head pastry chef Courtney.
There's a macaroon or there's a macaron.
Okay.
Today we are making the macaron.
The macaron.
They are the sandwiched cookies, not the coconut ones.
Okay.
We start by making a simple syrup using sugar and water. In a mixer, we add egg whites and slowly add sugar.
This is a very small batch. Now normally we do batches of 500.
Big, yeah.
I think this size batch makes about 40 macarons.
Okay. That's enough for me in one day.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Next, Courtney slowly and carefully pours the hot, simple syrup into the mixer with the egg whites. Then we let it mix. For the filling, we start with some lemon juice, a mixture of cinnamon sugar and nutmeg, and some cut-up Washington apples.
And then we're just gonna cook it down just like you would an apple pie. So basically, we're just making apple pie filling without the crust.
Now the meringue is done, and it's time to add the coloring.
How do you know that this is going to be the lovely green that you want?
Well, I did it this morning, and so I can attest it does look like an apple green. The first batch I did was too dark. It was too green. It wasn't
Forest green.
It was more forest green, yes. This combination will make it a nice Granny Smith
I love
color.
it. Okay.
We add the colored egg mixture to some almond flour and powdered sugar. Then Courtney takes the meringue and folds it into our batter. Now it's time to pipe our cookies.
Straight down?
Straight down,
Okay.
and just squeeze just very lightly. Now lift
And-
up. Yep.
Oh, I don't think it's supposed to quite do that. I'm concentrating so hard.
No, they look great.
After sitting to dry, the cookies go into an oven at 325 for 20 minutes.
So we are ready to fill our macarons. Now what we have in our bags today is our salted caramel French buttercream here at miFLAVOUR. Now, it's really good. It tastes super good. It's very rich. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this small round tip and we're gonna make a wall to hold all the apple filling in.
Oh.
And we're just going to put some in the middle.
And you don't want it outside the circle.
You wanna try to get
the
it
problem
in.
that I'm
I
having.
know. Oh, that one looks really good. I feel like you got a good placement on that one.
Thank you.
And it looks like a Krabby Patty.
It does, totally. This one may have had too many apples in it.
And that's okay because it'll taste really good.
Yeah. Oh, fun.
Now we're ready to decorate the top.
That was hard. Ready. Oh, that's
that.
so pretty.
While it's still warm,
Okay.
we'll sprinkle that apple crisp topping.
I love that. And look how beautiful it looks.
It looks beautiful.
Yay! And just be prepared
It's gonna be
for
messy.
a little messy.
Yeah,
but
it's gonna
that's
be really
okay.
messy.
That is so good. It's so pretty inside.
And the apples. And in the middle, you get that tart apple pie filling, and then you get that apple crisp, like yummy crisp topping on the top.
It's so delicious. What a great way to showcase Washington apples too.
Yeah,
And then our tongues are green.
Yeah, they probably are.
To get the recipe for miFLAVOUR's Washington Apple Pie Macaron, visit us at wagrown.com.